Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Chrome Remote Desktop with your Google account step by step clearly. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. In the address bar, type in remotedesktop.google.com and hit enter. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your email and password, then click Next. Once signed in, look for the Remote Access section on the page. Click on the Turn On button to enable remote access. You may need to download the Chrome Remote Desktop Host installer. Follow the prompts to download and install the required software. Once installed, return to the Remote Access page. Choose a name for your computer, making it easy to identify. Next, set a PIN that is at least 6 digits long for added security. Confirm your PIN by entering it again. Click Start to complete the configuration. You should now see your computer listed under My Computers. To access this computer remotely, open Chrome on another device. Visit the same remotedesktop.google.com link. Sign in with the same Google account used during configuration. You will see your computer listed for remote access. Click on your computer's name, then enter the PIN. You are now connected to your remote desktop. To disconnect, simply close the remote desktop window. Remember to secure your connection by logging out when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.